I am still not at my end. Everything started with this Gamehub thing, and we booted that up, and then I found out there's lots of links in here, and one of them is one to GOG, and I've installed spiritfarer demo thing, and that's now having this nice desktop icon up there. I'm gonna show you that particular application. If it's loading, I do have a strange cursor already, bit strange. If something is not running, super escape. You get this skull, touch something, super escape, done. Let's start it from here. Much better. I've been playing around with settings in there. You can tell where the data is going and making folders and all that, and I've been playing around with settings, so probably did something wrong there. Let's do a continue. I was playing with this thing, not long, you know me. Ooh, mojito. Let's not forget the most important things in life. So arrow to the right, to the left, and the cat is following and jumping is this, wee. And I can go up things, and go up things, and go up things, and up things, but the cat will always follow me, wee. And we can interact, E, voila. Let's give a hug. It's a snake-like thing. Oh, you're sweet. And with that's a jump. There are other things I can do. E, talk, and food, and give, and a hug, and mood. Never done mood. Was hugged. Okay. So the spacebar is switching between all this. I can go for a swim. Whee! I go actually quite fast. But this is the end of my world. I can't go on the boat yet. And with a shark we can have a talk as well. E, talk, and construct. And I did build something already. The thing you see more or less in the middle, the brownish bags or something, boxes, that's the thing I've bought. Well, built, not bought. So that's the game. It's a game, right? These are the options. And out I am again. So this is a game coming from GOG, and I just wanted to share that that works as well. All right, have fun.